That kissing is not making up for your performance last game, bro. I need that #2 rank action out of you. Can't be
That's a lot of work.
Can't be getting outslayed by a YouTuber on a new controller.
Can you say what?
We're going B, we're going
lagging.
B, we're going B.
Okay.
And we're lagging. We're lagging like hell.
Saying thank you for the 100 bits.
I'm lagging
Holy
so
lag.
fucking bad.
Yeah, it's bad.
Oh my god, we should get P3 side control. We win.
P3.
I'm giving up our flank, by the
I
way.
need it from mid somewhere.
Oh my god.
Can't really shoot though.
Yeah, bomb lunch, so.
Hey, one marble.
But yeah, bro, he's
Oh my
flank on
God,
me.
get
He's
off
flank
the
on me.
server. Holy fuck.
He's on flank. Nice. Wants to be close on you, like hop up, maybe wood steps.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, bro. I just got.
I can't be tasked with the job of both having bomb and watching flank.
No, if we get to their side lunch, then we don't have to watch pinch. We just flip the map. They leave it open, we get to their side.
That's fair. Hey yo, you're sending him what? What's up, Crypt? Morning, Kayla. Is PC unplayable? Yeah, to my knowledge, it is.
Lagging stuff?
Somebody
I'm going
nade the
BJ.
left side stat.
Yeah, I'm going.
Yeah, they're naded here. Naded here. I got hit as well. They smoked it out.
Got stunned.
They're just slamming it. I think.
Hit it in the smoke.
In the smoke. Smoke dead. One's a waterfall. Waterfall on top white. Waterfall top white.
Yeah, top office. Top office.
Top office dead. Oh my god, let's freaking go.
Up off YouTuber with the new controller.
Let's go, baby. New controller is doing me well. It's doing me well. I see you, Shade. One way in with pros on your team. All right. See how it is.
I'm Mw3 we can go A unless you guys want to slam you.
Let's try to go A. I'll go A.
Trophy, I'll go top. Hit. They're gonna get you on the heady, so. That's fine.
I got one naded on stat. One's naded on stat.
Trophy, he's on the right side.
Hide the you, bro.
Abs left on the statue.
2U. Shade in highs. Both close right laying down.
Red Drama.
I don't know. Fucking melted, bro.
If we hit somebody on statue, we just gotta get pushed up quick. We gotta take that
It's a fire controller,
advantage
Alex.
to get space.
If y'all know that nade spot, I'm getting him weak on statue from our offensive side. I'm gonna hit underground this time. Let's send that same nade left side stat though.
Yeah.
They have a trophy.
Yeah, the trophy,
Yeah,
yeah.
they're banging this out.
Yeah, they smoked it.
Shade cross.
One's top office, top white. One's in the smoke.
Wait, our underground.
There's two on bomb.
Both one shot on bomb, bro.
He just jumped our side of underground. I'm mind blown. I didn't realize we gave up all A.
Playing A.
Enemy planted at Alpha.
It's a secret.
Oh.
We lost that round. Prepare for
Can't buy a kill, bro.
Civic, thank you for the sub.
No kills.
Did you guys was it just you there, lunch?
I
I
thought
was
C4
there,
was
but they were
too.
like,
They smoked it out.
I
And just hit
don't
it
know if I
fast.
can one way or not, because they're definitely one waying that.
No, I mean, yeah, get in the smoke. Who cares? Shade was doing it first round.
Just one way it.
Yo, I think you guys. Let's go it. Let's go beer this round.
Okay.
Yeah, bomb.
I can help you shout out or right if you give me a sec.
They need a mid.
Nothing.
Yep.
You might wrap to be faster this time.
He's close bomb on me. One
Nice.
shot.
Mid steps, one hit.
He's dead.
P2, dead. So.
Nice, good job.
I see what you mean. About the
yeah,
flank.
it's so much. It's so
It's
much
a lot.
easier.
It's a
just
lot
like-
easier.
There's like a concept S&D where you just flip the map. Like if there's
Yeah.
nothing in front of you, just flip the map, and then it's like playing
It's like you're holding P3
essentially
pretty
defense.
much.
Yeah.
Search and destroy.
All right, I have a
Just
trophy for
slam
us.
A every round.
Yeah, I have a trophy for us on the on A side.
I think you guys just all slam blue, and I'll just
Slam blue?
sit right
Okay.
here like a
Yeah.
like a little bitch and just wait for them to push through. If they're going, they might go mid this round, but
I still want blue. I still want blue.
Yeah, for sure.
Two there.
There's two. There's two. One went gold steps, I think. I want to see it cross.
Shout me, you. He shouted
For
you,
sure.
you,
There's two gold steps.
DJ, bro. They're all over mid. 3 of them there. Oh my god.
The round is lost. Focus on the next one.
I was gonna try to pinch, but damn, they just decided to fucking go mid there.
That's crazy.
Switching sides.
I don't know about on 3 of them. 3 of them were running at me.
Search and destroy.
Let's do it back to them. They're just jumping out of gold. So does someone have a trophy?
I have a trophy. I have a trophy. Yeah.
Right.
I'm not grabbing bomb
Trophy
though.
blue.
Hey,
Trophy
they really
blue.
like playing DJ. They really like playing DJ.
Trophy. I'm watching DJ. Me and
How
Harley
is
are.
he gonna push out you? How is he gonna push
You guys gotta run at it. Come on, you want? Need a DJ. Need a DJ.
Oh, wait, mid
Steps
steps.
and steps.
Weak.
Good try.
Lost that round. Prepare for the next one.
I did not expect him to go open. I'm not gonna lie. Although I would have played much different angle. Do you guys throw anything?
Just a trophy.
Yeah, I think you guys can't throw anything until you get into U.
Y'all have
I
any
guess
trophies
you're
for
not-
A?
you're not-
I kind of want to play on statue.
I do. I have a trophy for it.
Okay, yeah.
Defend the objectives from hostile forces.
Gold, two gold, two
I
gold.
did hit
Oh
it.
my god.
Fish to me, you, bro. Holy f, their game just there so much faster.
Might flank behind you.
Yeah. I'm
I get B, I guess.
trying to watch flame.
1 minute remaining. They've planted at Bravo.
Yeah. I'm up through P3.
There's your elbow.
Colt and
Just a
shade.
second, I gotta
Like
reload.
Colt and shade. 20 seconds. You
Okay,
guys have
might wrap
you guys
through
have
here.
a nade.
I'm mid. I'm mid weak.
Let's try.
Good try.
Let's try.
Mission failed. Return to base.
So we're going for rank number 1, not kill number 1.